Welcome. Today we are diving into the world of artificial intelligence and cloud computing, exploring how these two powerful technologies intersect. The title of this presentation is AI and Cloud Computing: How Cloud Services Power Modern AI. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services like servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet or the cloud. It offers on-demand access to computing resources without the need for direct management by the user. Key benefits include on-demand resource access, where you only use what you need when you need it. There's elastic scalability, which means you can easily increase or decrease resources based on demand. The pricing is pay-as-you-go, so you only pay for what you actually use. And there is global accessibility, which means you can access your data and applications from anywhere with an internet connection. Cloud computing provides several essential services that are crucial for artificial intelligence. These include compute power, offering high-performance graphic processing units, or GPUs, and tensor processing units, or TPUs, which are essential for training and running complex AI models. There's also storage and data lakes, which is scalable storage solutions for managing massive datasets and training data. And finally, AI development tools. These are managed services and frameworks for building, training, and deploying AI models efficiently. Here we have an example of a cloud architecture for artificial intelligence workloads. This illustrates how cloud infrastructure supports AI applications. At the bottom is the infrastructure layer, providing compute, storage, and networking resources. Above that is the platform layer with artificial intelligence and machine learning services, application programming interfaces, and development tools. And at the top is the application layer, which includes the artificial intelligence models and the applications themselves. Notice how data flows seamlessly between these layers, enabling efficient AI development and deployment. One of the most significant benefits of cloud computing for artificial intelligence is the ability to train complex models quickly and efficiently. The process involves several steps. First, data preparation and upload to cloud storage. Then, configure the training environment and allocate resources. Next, initialize the training pipeline. After that, monitor the training progress. And finally, save and deploy the trained model. Here's an example code snippet. This configures cloud resources, initializes a training job, and starts distributed training. Cloud computing enables seamless scaling of artificial intelligence workloads. You get increased processing power scalability, which leads to faster training with distributed computing. There's improved cost efficiency with a reduction in operational costs. Resource utilization is also increased, giving you optimal resource usage with auto-scaling. And finally, global deployment with service availability across regions. Security and compliance are paramount when running artificial intelligence workloads in the cloud. Important aspects include data protection with end-to-end encryption, secure data processing environments, regular security audits and monitoring, and data residency compliance. Also, there is access control using role-based access control, multi-factor authentication, application programming interface security and key management, and audit logging and monitoring. There are also compliance standards such as General Data Protection Regulation or GDPR for data privacy, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act or HIPAA for healthcare data, and International Organization for Standardization, ISO, 27001 certification. And finally, there are best practices, that is, regular security updates, incident response planning, continuous monitoring, and employee security training. The future of artificial intelligence in the cloud is exciting, with several emerging trends on the horizon. These trends include quantum AI, which is integration of quantum computing with AI systems for unprecedented computational power and problem-solving capabilities. Also, edge AI means decentralized AI processing at the edge, enabling real-time decision-making and reduced latency for critical applications. and sustainable AI, which is energy-efficient AI computing in green data centers, optimizing resource usage while minimizing environmental impact. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.